Let's see what time I'm gonna get fucking called in. 12:40. Why don't you put fucking flowers out there? What the fuck is this line? You know, that's dangerous. Got this fucking line crisscrossing all these places. Like, God forbid a bolt of lightning hits that shit. Oh, the building's gonna go on fire. Fuck you. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Damn, this bench is hot. You would think it's like fucking 80 degrees out. Fuck you. Oh my god, that's like the first time I've been seeing this guy over 10 years. Like the first time he doesn't even have the fucking news on. He's got the soccer game. And who are you voting for? Who are you rooting for? Fuck you.